Hi, I'm Jennifer Krosch with eXp Realty. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of a 4-bed, 3-bathroom townhome located on the northeast corner of Sioux Falls in a new development by Nielsen Construction called East Prairie. And I'm just going to show you what $325,000 will buy for you. So the unit that we're going to look at today is an end unit, and as I said, it's a 4-bed, 3-bath home that has approximately 1,665 square foot finished with a 2-stall garage. There are other models in this line on Steel Street that do offer walk-out layouts. This one that we're going to tour is just a garden level view. As you can see, we come up into this private front door. As we go in, you're greeted by the mudroom, the access to the garage, and your laundry. Again, in the garage, we have access to a 2-stall garage. Has some additional space that you can store some items as well. And we have a laundry room. We've got white 3-panel doors with white trim. So we come in here to the first bedroom. 2 of the bedrooms are on the main level. We've got a front-facing window. It does have a nice sized closet for the bedroom. On this main floor, we'll have 1 full bath. We've got laminate countertops, drop-in sink, pretty standard. So we go into the primary bedroom here. It's a good size. You could fit a king bed and a couple additional pieces of furniture. We've got a walk-in closet, again, lighted. And then we've got a very modest primary bathroom with a shower, single sink, and again, the 3-panel doors continue. Let's go downstairs and take a look at the lower level before we tour the main living spaces. Again, as you come into the front door, you will have your access to go down to your lower level. I love the high ceilings. You've got 9-foot ceilings down here. As soon as you get down into the lower level, you'll be greeted by another full bath. Family room space. Again, as I said, this particular unit is a garden view. They do have other models that are walkouts. Down here we'll have 2 additional bedrooms to round out that 4-bedroom. Good sized bedroom with another good sized walk-in closet. Does already have the closet system. This bedroom is a little larger. Again, we've got the walk-in closet, the closet system, and this bedroom is just a little larger. If we go into the mechanical room, we'll take a look at those items. Coming into the mechanical, you do have a decent amount of space for storage. The furnace, water heater, your sump pump hole, and your electrical are all in one space, making it very easy for servicing. Let's go back upstairs a moment. So as we go back upstairs to the main living space, we've got a kitchen with an island, comes with a full appliance package, laminate countertops. To have that additional pantry space is very nice. And then you can go out onto your patio. It does not include stairs to bring you down into the ground area. So as I said, this is a 4-bed, 3-bath with a 2-stall garage. It's 1,665 square feet and it's located on the northeast corner of Sioux Falls. The features on this property is it does have the walk-in pantry, the main floor laundry, and it does include rock sod irrigation and comes with an HOA that maintains the snow, the lawn care. If you're interested in getting more information about this layout or another one of Nielsen Construction's homes that they have for sale, reach out and I can get you some information on any of their builder incentives and we can go take a look at some properties. If you like this, stay tuned for some of my other videos on the other developments that we have